Hello everyone, my name is DeLong. I live in Emporia, Kansas, which is kind of east central in Kansas. Lived here all my life. I farm. My hobby is collecting and restoring all of our tractors. I started collecting in 2000. I'd built a shop and I decided that's something I wanted to do. I like to take something old and make it look new again. So Oliver was pretty much my canvas that I wanted to work with. Self-taught myself to paint. I had no experience painting when I started. I restore one tractor a winter. I start in December and generally by March I have it done. I do all the mechanics and I do all the painting myself. But anyway, I've come to the point that I've decided I've kind of have too many tractors. There are a lot to take care of, so I contacted my BigIron sales rep and he got together with me and decided to put some tractors on BigIron auctions. My 995, the Lug-O-Matic, is by far probably, it is just a really nice tractor. Very low production tractor, one of my favorites. Of course, anything with a GM Detroit in it is very collectible. Super 99 GM, very nice tractor. The 995, I did restore it myself. The Super 99, I bought it this way. So, Super 99 gas, that was, I bought it up in Iowa. It was restored in that condition. Another low production tractor Oliver built. Super 66, I found that tractor on eBay. It was a non-running tractor over in Missouri. Brought it home. I did build the engine for it because the engine was junk. But very nice little Super 66 wide front. Very collectible. 950, that's an Indiana tractor. I wanted it. I take it to my plow days and plow with it. The 770, that's a Wheatland 770 diesel, another low production tractor, but that engine has been overhauled recently. 1800, that's a C series. That would be the last series of the 1800s, and that I had to build the engine on that tractor. And it was a tractor I'd put in my operation. I was pulling a Hydro-Swing swather with it. 1355, that is another unique tractor. The back half is Oliver, the front half is Minneapolis Moline. The G955, same way. Back half is Oliver, front half is Minneapolis Moline. I like them tractors just for the fact they were unique, part Oliver, part Moline. 5399, that's a 1-year production tractor. The back half is a 4-speed transmission and rear end, and the front half is super. It is the 6-cylinder Waukesha diesel, and I have done engine work to it. It is a really unique and 1-year production tractor. The 2655, another unique tractor. You could get that tractor in 3 different colors, but just a big workhorse tractor in its day for its day. So I have a little 1550 industrial with the backhoe and loader. I used it in my cattle operation. It is a working unit. And of course the 2150, they were just a big workhorse for their day. The 125 Oliver lawnmower, they were, I believe, a 1-year production. Jacobson built the mowers for Oliver, so very, very cool to have one of them. So very, very nice tractors. I kind of hate to see some of them go, but I think it's time. The BigIron auction that my tractors are on is September 29th. You need to get registered on BigIron to bid. You need to get you a bid number and get registered before the auction. We are having an open house here on Saturday the 25th, starting at 10 till 3, and we are serving lunch. So please feel welcome to come to our open house, and you'll be able to inspect all the tractors will be out. If you want to drive one, you're more than welcome to drive one. So.